Hi friends, welcome back to channel SciTech. In this video, I'm going to do the 90 FPS Battlegrounds mobile game drop test in the Mi10T device. So right now, as you can see friends, I'm trying to use the Mi10T device and I'm getting plenty of comments asking me to make a video on the Battlegrounds mobile game, whether this game actually plays at 90 FPS or not. I'll try to show you the real time what is happening with the FPS meter as well. And this is a floating FPS meter which the phone has got built in. And one more quick note, I did install the Game Turbo latest version in this device. Only then the real-time FPS problem got fixed in the Mi10T, because previously I did upload the video friends where I did play the game, but the FPS was not consistently showing 90 FPS. It was showing 144 FPS and 120 FPS. It's kind of inconsistent. And then I thought of installing the latest Game Turbo, and finally it did work. So right now it's showing exactly the real-time statistics, 90 FPS successful, as you can see friends clearly. So now let me need to go to the settings. I'm trying to show you. So 90 FPS I'm trying to select friends exact. So definitely the game is actually playing at 90 FPS without any kind of problem, and the real-time FPS also demonstrating only 90 FPS. It's not showing 144 or somewhere around that. It's showing actually 90. Now it's good to go. Now let's start the gameplay and let's play the team deathmatch first match, and then I'll try to show you the drop test as well while doing in the bootcamp drop test. So which you guys did ask for. Let me to connect this Realme gaming triggers. So these are Realme gaming triggers which I thought I was using. I think this position should be kind of okay, I guess. Let's try. I just want to double check, is there any kind of mistouch problems or not? No. As you can see, FPS is maintaining 90 FPS without much kind of problems. You can clearly see. As you can see, it was able to maintain really good FPS. And right now, as you can see friends, we are getting about 88 FPS, 86. So overall it was able to maintain really good FPS, stable FPS, nothing much major problems while playing the team deathmatch. So now I'll try to play the normal team deathmatch, I mean normal classic match, then we'll be able to understand about the bootcamp as well, how the Mi10T is going to handle in terms of the FPS drop test. Let me need to go to the normal bootcamp. And right now, as you can see friends, it's about maintaining 90, and temperature is about close to 37 degrees Celsius, 37.2. I'm trying to play the game while using the mobile case as well. That's something you should definitely understand. So let's see friends, how will be the bootcamp gonna be reflecting in terms of the FPS drop in the Snapdragon 865. So don't worry, the 90 FPS is absolutely working fine in this device without any kind of problem. So you just need to install the new Game Turbo, then the problem will be completely fixed. So in the Game Turbo also I did select to the, I think, performance mode. We do have the balance in the performance mode. I did select the performance mode as well. So right now, as you can see, friends, I'm trying to do the drop test exactly in the boot camp. Let's see what's gonna be there regarding the FPS drop. So make sure to focus on the FPS drop, so not on the game. So because I'm not that good at gaming, but let's see. I'll try to show you the again one more time as well. Regarding the FPS, how much it's decreasing. So 83 is the lowest value which we did see. 81. So 81 is the lowest value which we did see during this time of demonstration in the bootcamp map exactly. As you can see, overall it was able to maintain 90 FPS, no issues. As you can see, it's maintaining exactly 90 FPS without much kind of problems. Pretty good, no issues. So again, I'll try to do the one more time regarding the drop test, then we'll be able to understand what is going on regarding the FPS drop. Again, I'll be back after some time. So right now this is the second drop test which I'm trying to do exactly in the bootcamp, and then I'll try to end up this video, friends. So after this drop test, let's see. So exactly in the bootcamp hole, I'm trying to do the drop test this time. So now we'll be able to see exactly what is happening regarding the FPS drop. So it's kind of close to 90. So 84 is the lowest value which we did see. 84. Yes, not bad. So overall we did see the lowest value up to 84 kind of value. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching this friends. Stay tuned for more updates, and this is a quick FPS drop test in the Mi10T device. And in case if you want me to do any other in-depth videos, let me know in the comment section below. Definitely I'll try to do my best to post the videos as soon as possible. And the highest temperature did reach up to 38 degrees Celsius during this process demonstration. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, and stay tuned. Meanwhile, signing off, friends. Until then, bye.